Hello, welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to add your credit or debit card on McDonald's app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop at Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to add your credit or debit on McDonald's app. We'll start opening up on McDonald's app. Once open up on McDonald's app, you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Look on the bottom right hand corner where it says more, tap on more. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, make sure you tap where it says profile. Once you arrive on this main screen right here, look on where it says payment. So make sure you tap where it says payment right there. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. So make sure you tap on where it says add credit card right there. Tap there. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Make sure you enter all your correct information. So once you finish putting all your information, make sure you tap where it says save on the bottom. Tap save right there on the bottom. And you're gonna see your card right there. And that's how you add your credit or debit card on McDonald's app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find them in my video description. And thank you for watching.